Today we will have milk tea challenges. How do we play this game? We will have 3 bottles of bubble tea, and we will guess the taste and the amount of this milk tea. So I can pay for you. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's get started.
Yes.
I'm excited. Let's close our eyes. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, I have glasses here. It's not really convenient, but okay. I close my eyes already.
Yes. The first
Okay,
one.
Mia, please help me.
Drink.
You excited? Yeah, drink it.
Oh, yes, okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm so excited too. What does it smell like?
I got it.
What does it smell?
What do you smell? So good.
What does it
Not
taste?
bad.
Okay, let me try it.
Try, okay.
Okay, give me. Okay, I can see it.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, sure. What is this? It sounds good.
I
It
guess
smells delicious.
first. Okay. I think it's
This
flavors is strawberry. Do you think so?
I'm not sure.
Not sure?
I think it's chocolate.
No.
I know it's a fruit. Aru is a fruit. Okay, let me think.
Strawberry, I guess.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
It can be mango.
Mango?
No. I say it can't be mango.
Can't.
Okay. Can it be strawberry like you? No, I don't think so. I can't remember the names of the fruit. So finally I choose strawberry too. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry. We can see each other now because it's a time to guess the price, right?
Okay.
I guess it's 40,000 Vietnamese đồng.
40,000?
Yes. What about you?
I guess it's
We can see the price. No
36.
price here. 36? Okay. Can we see here now? Okay.
Yes!
How much? You said how much?
36.
36? I said
Oh god.
36? 40? 442. 36, that means you like 4,000. But I guess 40.
No, 8.
You're 46.
30.
36. I win. It is. Oh, it's strawberry.
Yeah, the
Oh,
flavor.
I couldn't recognize this taste. Okay, another one. Close your eyes.
It's not the real strawberry flavor.
Yeah, it's the reason
It's
why
fake.
I can't recognize it.
It's fake.
Yeah.
Okay, the second one. Please.
Okay, please give to us. I don't see anything. Don't worry.
You first.
Okay.
You drink first. Okay.
I will drink first, and I guess where is it? Here. Okay.
Let's try and
Lemon. I'm sure.
lemon.
Let's drink. No, I'm not sure. Let you guess.
Okay, I'll try it.
Yummy. I like this bubble. I wait for the price. I guess lemon already.
So good.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
Wait.
Look at you. You look. Remember to close your eyes. Yes, sure.
I can open.
No, you need to guess the name.
Okay.
What is this? What is this?
Lemon.
Lemon? So what is the price?
The bubbles is so good.
Yeah.
The price?
Yeah. I get the price too? Or you first?
Okay.
You.
I'm first.
Okay.
42,000 dollars.
40,000. I guess
You
40.
cheat? You cheated?
Okay, it's fair. It's fair. Okay. It's fair one time. I didn't mean that, but when I look at the name of it, then I see the price.
Chanh quất á.
Yes, lemon. You guess it's lemon, right?
Yeah.
So we
It's
have the
not
same.
really lemon.
I think it's quite real taste to me.
Yeah.
I can recognize quickly. It's a lemon. Okay, and a last one. Thank you. Mia,
How much is it?
42. It's 42. I tend to guess 40, and you guess what?
42.
Already?
Yes.
You're almost right, and you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one.
This one?
Okay, close your eyes.
Really? Okay, where is...
Okay, you first, right?
Okay, yeah. I don't know. I'm so nervous now.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, sure. I'm not cheat.
Yes, I know, but you know, somehow you can't control your eyes because we don't have the clothes to cover our eyes. So sometimes it's like the natural. Yeah, where is it?
Delicious.
Where's mine? I want it. I can't wait. I'm thirsty. Okay.
I don't know. What is this flavor?
You get first. You get first. I think I like this one the most.
Matcha.
Matcha?
Yeah. I think so.
I think it's a kind of mint. You know mint?
Mint? I try it again.
You
No?
have only one time to try. Okay, that's okay. Mint.
Mint?
No, but she chose for us fruit, so it could be.
Mint?
I have no idea in my mind. Let me see.
No, matcha. Matcha.
Matcha? No, it's not matcha.
Alright.
Your final answer?
Yes. Matcha.
I think it's a mango. Okay, how much is it? How much? How much is it?
38.
38, okay.
Yeah. And you?
40.
40 again.
For everything, yeah. 38, look. 40, I win. Totally, I win. You can pay for it. You can pay for it. 38?
Yeah.
Oh, the same? We have the same?
No, I don't. But this.
Oh, vị nhài. Nhài, what is this? It's the kind of vegetable, it's not fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So both of us,
Not fruit.
anyway, you for the first round,
Yeah.
you lose, right? The first round.
But the flavor is
Oh, I think we need to check camera again and see. Okay. Okay, time to drink milk tea. Mia, come here, sit with us, and we drink.
I'm almost full.
Thank you for buying for us.
Milk tea, come here. Take a photo. Come here, stand here, milk, stand here. Okay, look. Kiss. Okay. Yum. Wow. Yum. So wet. Drink together. I can like this. You can share. It's so fake.
Hi guys, I just got 20 Vietnamese thousand for milk tea. I'm so excited. And if you like our videos, please thumbs up, press subscribe, and I hope to see you more in another videos. Goodbye.